Hey lads, TechScanning here. So recently Vivo launched its Vivo Pad3 Pro with some flagship specs. However, without taking much time, now it's their sub-brand IQOO is gearing up for its second generation of tablet, which will be named IQOO Pad2 Pro. So after getting spotted on the 3C listing recently, the Pad2 Pro appeared in the Google console listing, revealing it will be a solid addition to the tablet market. So starting with the render displayed on the listing, though it doesn't provide us the best look at the design language, however we can guess it will have slim enough symmetrical bezels, something we have seen on the Vivo Pad3 Pro. As per the listing, the IQOO Pad2 Pro will be powered by a MediaTek chipset. Though it didn't clearly mention the chipset name, however the core arrangement and a prime core clocking at 3.2 GHz suggest it will be the MediaTek's top-end Dimensity 300, which is arguably the best chipset for Android devices. So this means you can expect the tablet to run any app flawlessly. Here for reference, the Vivo Pad3 Pro also launched with the Dimensity 300. So this suggests with similar design language and chipset, the IQOO Pad2 Pro could be the rebranded version of the Vivo Pad3 Pro. On the memory side, the flagship chipset will be paired with 12 GB of RAM. Moving on, about the display, the listing says it will have 2064 by 3096 pixels resolution with an impressive 400 dpi pixel density. While the listing didn't reveal the screen size, however if it follows the Vivo Pad3 Pro, we could see the 13 inches LCD display, most likely with 144Hz refresh rate. While Google console listing didn't mention anything about the charging department, however as per an early 3C listing, the IQOO Pad2 Pro will get a good bump from 44W to 66W fast charging speed, the same as the Vivo Pad3 Pro. Anyway, these certifications suggest soon we will hear more about the IQOO Pad2 Pro, maybe some official teasers or leaked spy shots. And of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be any details. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.